Everyone wants to provide the best to their loved ones. To ensure that, you need a comprehensive financial plan. Your financial plan should be precise in terms of insurance and investment. ICICI Pru Gold Plan promotes that it would help to achieve all your goals, objectives, and life dreams. Will ICICI Pru Gold be a good investment plan for all your goals? This video analyzes the plan in detail. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI Pru Gold is a participating life insurance plan that focuses on savings and protection. The main features are life cover up to the age of 99 years, option to start receiving income immediately or after a few years as per your needs. Regular income will be a combination of guaranteed income and income linked to bonus declaration. Option to accumulate and withdraw income at any time or adjust future premiums. Under select variants, guaranteed booster after every 5 years. Next, we shall look at the benefits of ICICI Pru Gold Plan under three different plan options. First, regular income. Under immediate income plan, you receive guaranteed income and income linked to the bonus as regular income from the first policy year. Under immediate income with boosters, you receive guaranteed income and guaranteed booster and income linked to the bonus as regular income from the first policy year and a booster for every fifth policy year. Next, under deferred income, you receive guaranteed income and income linked to the bonus as regular income after the deferment period. Next, maturity benefit is same under all three plan option as sum assured on maturity plus balance in savings wallet plus terminal bonus. Death benefit is also same under all three plan option, sum assured on death plus balance in savings wallet plus interim survival benefit plus terminal bonus. Now let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI Pru Gold Plan. Advantages: receive the survival benefit on any special date using the save the date option. The savings wallet feature gives you the flexibility to realign your benefits as per your changing needs. An additional benefit for a higher premium, the loan can be availed up to a maximum of 80% of surrender value. Disadvantages: only a portion of survival benefit, that is regular income, is guaranteed. The income benefit is not adjusted to inflation. Income benefit often ends up in discretionary expenses. To understand ICICI Pru Gold Plan better, let us work out the benefit illustration. You pay a premium for a limited period and start receiving the benefits later based on your needs. Both regular income and maturity benefit are receivable under the plan. Now let us work out the potential return of ICICI Pru Gold. A 35-year-old male opts for ICICI Pru Gold Plan. The sum assured is Rs 12 lakhs. Premium paying term is 12 years. The deferment period is 11 years. The annualized premium is Rs 1 lakh. Income benefit is receivable till the age of 85 years and the maturity benefit is finally paid. He receives income benefit based on the bonus declaration. This illustration will show two different rates of assumed future investment return, 8% per annum and 4% per annum. They are not guaranteed and they are not upper or lower limits of what you might get back. At the 4% scenario, he receives an income benefit of Rs 51,750 and a maturity benefit of 21.65 lakhs. The IRR calculation for the 4% scenario results in 3.95%. This rate is less than any debt instrument rate. At 8% scenario, he receives an income benefit of 1.09 lakhs and a maturity benefit of 66.25 lakhs. A point to be noted is a portion of income benefit is non-guaranteed. Only if the plan continuously declares a decent bonus rate, you can enjoy the income benefit. The IRR for the 8% scenario is 7.32%. This rate is somewhat closer to other debt instrument rates, but you are tied up with the ICICI Pru Gold Plan. You are supposed to receive only the income benefit. Also, you get a flat amount throughout the policy term. This may end up in improper channelization of income benefit. The IRR calculation in the earlier section reveals that investing in ICICI Pru Gold is not worth for long-term investment. The income benefit affects your cash flow down the lane. So let us work for alternate investments where we can enjoy liquidity. For comparison, let us assume the metrics of the earlier illustration. The annualized premium of 1 lakh could be utilized better in terms of insurance cover and investment. For life cover, a pure term life insurance policy for a sum assured of rupees 12 lakhs would cost rupees 19,000. The premium paying term is 10 years. In the earlier illustration, the premium paying term is 12 years. So, in the initial 10 years, the life insurance premium is first paid and the balance is invested. In the next 2 years, a full amount of rupees 1 lakh is available for investment. The investment vehicle could be based on your risk profile. Here we have chosen ELSS fund as an investment vehicle. In the initial years, you can accumulate the corpus in ELSS fund. Then it is transferred to a 7% return instrument. Thereby, we can withdraw annually to match the income benefit of ICICI Pru Gold. Finally, at the age of 85 years, the balance in the investment is withdrawn fully to match the maturity benefit. The accumulated value at the end of 12 years under ELSS fund is 22.34 lakhs. This amount is subject to capital gains tax. The post-tax maturity value is 21.22 lakhs. The tax calculation is given here. Later, this amount, that is 21.22 lakhs, is transferred to a 7% return instrument. Income benefit of 1.09 lakhs, which is similar to the benefit illustration 8% scenario, is assumed to be withdrawn. Investment is withdrawn fully at the end of the policy term to match the maturity benefit. The IRR calculation for this cash flow resulted in 7.44%. This return is marginally higher than the benefit illustration 8% scenario return. Liquidity wise, this alternate investment strategy has an upper hand over ICICI Pru Gold. You can utilize the accumulated corpus under ELSS investment as per your wish. This is missing in ICICI Pru Gold plan. Here is our final verdict on ICICI Pru Gold plan. It offers life insurance coverage, regular income and maturity benefit. You have the option to choose the plan variant based on your requirements. Either you can enjoy regular income from the second year or after the end of the premium paying term. ICICI Pru Gold is a traditional policy offering mediocre returns. The major drawback is the standard income benefit till the end. Moreover, there is no liquidity in the plan. After the premium paying term, you can receive only income benefit which is not sufficient to meet major life goals. If we invest separately for life goals, then we can enjoy liquidity. Prudently pick your investments based on your life goals, risk appetite, and time horizon. Having a pure term insurance policy is a must action item in your financial plan. Pure term life insurance policy helps in retaining all other plans on track. A comprehensive financial plan inclusive of insurance and investment is essential for all individuals. If you need any assistance, you can consult a finance professional. A detailed review of ICICI Pru Gold is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.